Hello everybody, welcome back, and welcome to the sound of excitement in my voice, because welcome to the new addition to my RC collection. This, if you haven't seen it before, this is the 2024 Ford Puma World Rally Car M Sport. It's a 1/8 scale, ready to run. And I can't wait to get this thing out of the box. So I'm not going to do like a full unboxing video because there's quite a few of them already out there anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to get this bad boy out of the box and show you guys some of the features that I've seen. Oh, guys. This thing is awesome. Alright, so what we got in the bag then? What's the instructions? Looks like a couple of servo horns, a couple of Allen keys, some stickers. Obviously the instructions. I suppose I best to open this. That's awesome. Right, I need some scissors. But before we get to that, yeah, this I've been thinking, I know I'm going to change the radio, but for one-handed driving is actually, I like the trigger feel, but yeah, I'm going to be swapping this from my usual Dumbo RC. I've just had a receiver. Well, I'm waiting for a receiver to come through so I can pair it with one of my radios, but I have to say, for one-handed driving, it's actually not bad, but it's just a bit bulky and cumbersome, really. So, are you guys ready? This is my first unboxing, really, and this is my 7th RC. So there's a first for everything, isn't it, guys? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Holy shamoly guacamole, like Exo Cage's RC says. That is awesome. I think one thing I'm going to have to do, I can tell straight away, is I'm going to have to take these pins and bend them up a little bit. So I think I'm going to do that now, to be fair. Yeah, so these pins, as hopefully you guys can see, they're a little bit straight. So I'm just using shot pliers and then one of these. Hold them tight and just bend them a little bit so they're easy to take off. Wow. Hey, this is even nicer in the flesh than it is on on YouTube videos. Wicked. What a machine. Right, that's done. Right. The shell looks fairly sturdy. Interesting. What's that? Yeah, so that's some support for the wing, for these air intakes, and also for the mirrors. It seems quite nice and sturdy, actually. Oh, wow. Oh. Right, so if you haven't seen this online yet, so this comes, obviously, it's a bit of a smallish 1/8, but so this comes with a Hobbywing 100 amp ESC. It can actually run the servo on 7.4 volts, but I think this servo, being a Savox, is only good to 6 volts. Probably will change that in the future. So we've got a 3658 size 3000 kV motor with a heatsink and a fan. Well, that's nice to see. I believe in here it's got a slipper clutch. I don't think it's got a center diff. Let me check. No, that's definitely a slipper clutch. Oh, the front diff feels really nice. Oh, guys. Obviously Dean's connector, but I don't mind because all my batteries are Dean's anyway, and it's only good for 2 and 3S. Wow. It's got a nice, decent size battery tray. And yeah, this is good for 2 and 3S. It's nicely set up out of the box. Got some nice aluminium or aluminum for you Americans shock towers. Not sure if these are CNC. I'll have to double check. So you've got adjustable camber in the rear, adjustable camber in the front, and adjustable tow as well. big metal centre drive shaft, and yeah, all metal gears as well, which I can tell. Some nice P0s road tyres. I will get some rally blocks as well. I think these are 12mm hexas. Sway bars? No, doesn't have sway bars. Interesting. Wow. Oh, this feels good, guys. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be running this very shortly on 3S. I've got an Overlander 4,500 milliamp on charge at the moment, and yeah, next time you'll see this, we'll be right outside. Here we go. Demo run. Just had a little bit of a drive off camera just to get the feel for it, to be honest. Oh my god. Yeah, this could do with the gyro, to be honest, but and it's quick. I hope you guys can see it. The weather's not the greatest for filming, but ooh, it's got some get up and go, that's for sure. Yeah, I can't wait to put the Dumbo RC receiver in this, to be honest, guys, because it's better than this crap for one-handed driving anyway. What I need to be mindful of is this isn't doesn't have a lot of ground clearance, especially at the front with that lip. Sort of hear it as well. Oh, mind the curve. See how fast this thing is. Oh, car coming. Oh, he slides so good! Oh, guys, what a machine! Oh, what a machine! Oh, I can't wait to. I can't wait for the Dumbo RC radio to get here. It's a hell of a lot better than this thing I've got in my hand at the moment. But yeah, anyway, guys, this was just a quick shakedown, and I'm going to do a little bit more driving, getting used to the car. Oh, yeah. She's a beast. So yeah, guys, watch out for the next video once I get a bit more used to it. You know, give this a proper rip. All right, see you on the next video, guys.